Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss the last worksheet question answer. So, in your chapter 4, chapter 4, force and friction, all exercise question answer already I provided to you. So, today I will only discuss about the last worksheet, and also today I will give you one of the test question paper which is based on force and friction. 25 marks question are there, so you and each question carry 1 marks, so within 40 minutes you have to finish that question paper. Okay, so let's see the last question worksheet question answer. So see here, the state the effect produced by a force in the following cases. So we know that the effect of force, so force can change a state of a stationary object, force can stop a moving object, and also the force can change the direction of a moving object. So those things already we learn. So here only we will find out the state of the effect produced by the force. So which kind of effect produced by a force, that things you have to mention. The sling of a rubber catapult is stretched, so that time when we are applying a force, what effect you can see? The shape and size of catapult changes, so means its length increases. A man pushes a heavy cart, the heavy cart begins to move by applying a force. A player uses his stick to deflect the ball. So here we are applying a force. That effect of force is the direction of the ball changes. So when the player using his stick, so means when he is applying a force, that time the direction of the ball changes. The cyclist applies brakes, so that the cyclist applies brake to speed of a moving cycle is slowed down. A spring is compressed, there is change in shape and size of spring. Question number 2, name the type of force which acts in the following cases. A pulley, so you have to mention it which type of force is it. So a pulley lifts a luggage, so the pulley applying a muscular force, it is a contact force. A bicycle comes to rest slowly when the cyclist stop pedaling. So here that act of force is, the type of force is a frictional force. Let's see. Yeah. A stone falls from a roof. So when a stone falls from a roof, it always goes down and reach to that ground, and so it is a gravitational force. This is a non-contact force. A comb wrapped with silk attracts the bits of paper, so it is the electrostatic force. So electrostatic force is act over there. So a horse moves a cart, so a horse applying a muscular force to move a cart. A magnet attracts an iron pin, so the magnet applies a magnetic force, that's why it attracts an iron pin. A boy opens the door, so a boy is applying a muscular force to open the door. An apple falls from a tree, it is a gravitational force, example of a gravitational force. A man rows a boat, so he is applying a muscular force. So these are the types of force. So this type of question I hope you can understand. So sometimes the example is given and you write identify the types of force, and sometimes the types of force is given and you have to give the example. So two types of question will come in exam. So one is that example is given, or the situation or following the cases is given, you have to identify the type of force. Which type of force? It is a muscular force, frictional force, gravitational force, electrostatic force, or a magnetic force. Okay, and other question is that types of force is given. Suppose that given one example for a muscular force, so you have to write the example of a muscular force, or example of a frictional force, or example of a gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. So two types of question will come in exam. So you be prepared for that. And then another things is that suppose that for cases is given, you have to identify the state of effect produced by a force, or that effect of force is given, you have to give the example of a effect of force. Each effect of force you give one example. So this two types questions will come in exam. All of you please be prepared for that, because that effect of force is given and give the one example. That type of question already I have done in when I am doing the exercise. That time already I discussed, and here's some of the examples also I am giving. So the two types of question will come in exam. Okay. So next is that today's test paper is that 25 marks question is there, and 25 questions also is here, and I am giving you 40 minutes. So within 40 minutes you please try to finish this paper. So write true or false for each statement. So here 6 question is here. Each questions carry 1 mark. So 6 into 1, 6 question, 6 marks. 6 question is here. Each question carry 1 mark. So 6 marks is here. Next is that fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, 8 question is here, and each question carry 1 mark. So 8 into 1, 8 marks. Then match the following. So column A, column 2. So total 6 question is here. So 6 question into 1 marks each question. So that's why 6 marks. So choose the correct options also here. 5 question is here. Each question carry 1 marks. So here is also 5 marks. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 6 20. 20 plus 5 25. So 25 marks question is here. So 25 marks question you have to solve it within 40 minutes. So within 40 minutes you have to solve this paper. And next day means on Friday I will discuss this test paper. Then I will start the new chapter. Okay. So hope you can understand and you do it, and be honest when you do the test paper. Don't open your book or copy, and do it. Okay. So on Friday I will discuss this question paper. Thank you student. Take care. Bye.